So you guys know we've been using Factor for quite a while now, and we love that Factor delivers fresh, chef-crafted meals right to your door, helping to keep our daily meals healthy and worry-free. Factor also eliminates stress around cooking, planning, as well as cleanup. Now that Kendra and I have been working at salons, finding a healthy lunch on the go hasn't been the easiest, but Factor has made it super easy and convenient. Factor has tons of meal options, including more seafood options, protein options like short rib, salmon burger, and bison sausage. Factor meals are made with no refined seed oils, refined sugar, sweeteners, or artificial colors. You can choose from plans designed to meet your nutritional needs like Calorie Smart, GLP-1 support, keto, protein plus, vegan, and veggie. This is also super convenient if you want to take your lunch to work, because these are just the most convenient and they're actually really good, because a lot of frozen dinners are not that good and they're not that good for you. So that's another thing I love about Factor. You don't have to give up taste, quality, or ingredients. They basically check all the boxes for me. So if you guys want to check out Factor, make sure you guys head to factor75.com or click the link below and use the code GlamTwinsTVFB50 to get 50% off your first box and 1 year of free breakfast. So you guys might want to hop on that. That's code GlamTwinsTVFB50 at factor75.com to get 50% off your first Factor box plus free breakfast for 1 year.